Writer's Toolbox. You'll want to include crayons, pencils, colored pencils, and markers in your writer's toolbox. This way, you'll have lots of options of writing tools to choose from. You might choose to keep your writing tools in an art box. You can then use a Ziploc bag to hold your crayons. That way, they'll be easier to keep track of. Or you might choose to keep your writer's tools in jars. You can use a bigger jar for your colored pencils, and markers, and a baby food jar for your crayons. Choose whichever way works best for you. You might also want to include in your toolbox a glue stick, scissors, and a clipboard. A clipboard can be a writing surface anywhere that you go. Now let's make a blank book. Ask a grown-up to help you use the stapler. Count out 3 pieces of blank paper. 1, 2, 3. Then staple them along the side. Now you have a blank book. What stories will you write? I can't wait to read them. Like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more fun activities.